As the proponents of this mobile application, we, the Level 2 student nurses of West Visayas State University College of Nursing, suggest that this application would be beneficial to the patients, their family or significant others, and most importantly, the dedicated nurses and physicians in our emergency rooms. In particular, the main target population of this project are local emergency room or department healthcare workers, particularly the emergency room nurses in the West Visayas State University Medical Center's emergency ward. Emergency room nurses or waiting room nurses are exemplar licensed healthcare professionals who work in an emergency medical facility as part of a team with doctors and physicians to provide urgent or emergency patient medical care to stabilize a patient. Their general function in the emergency room includes triage, vital signs taking, medication administration, treatment provision, patient monitoring, charting or documentation, immediate discharge management, and many more. Relevant to the proposed project, it targets the specific and vital role of emergency room nurses in assisting personnel in determining which patients require immediate attention depending on the severity and critical nature of the condition of the patient. Considering the current occurrence of the COVID-19 pandemic with its stringent protocols, severity classification is essential in making the most efficient use of limited labor and resources. The target population are also mainly responsible for this triage role.
Now, the proponents came up with TriagePal with its features particularly designed and modified ideal for the use of the target population. The application's benefits can specifically be attained through the features of this user-friendly software application. TriagePal includes a homepage where a new patient selection can be seen as well as main directories and application settings, which will be shown upon opening the software. This software offers convenience to our main target population, the ER nurses, particularly by improving user experience. In addition, a significant feature of this application is the adaptation of the Emergency Severity Index for triage. Emergency Severity Index is a 5-level emergency department triage algorithm that provides clinically relevant stratification of patients into 5 groups, from 1 as the most urgent to 5 as the least urgent on the basis of acuity and resource need. This is a system that can rapidly identify individuals or patients that need immediate attention. Through this system of triaging and rapid sorting, the flow of patients in the emergency department can be improved. Using the ESI algorithm, the triage nurse will only choose among 2 answers which are either yes and no based on the patient's condition during the assessment rather than choosing from a long list of answers used in other triage systems.